In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Zendesk Sell account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free online dashboard tool Style BI. Now, for enterprise deployments, I'm also a fan of Tableau and Power BI, but Tableau Public doesn't offer any privacy for its dashboards, and Power BI Desktop does not offer shareable dashboards. So for that reason, I've come to use Style BI as my preferred free tool. So anyway, I started off by signing into Style BI. I'm going to click Connect to Data Source. I'm going to scroll down the list of available data sources, and I'm going to select Zendesk Sell. Here it is. Click Create. Okay. Now I need to enter an access token. So to create an access token in Zendesk Sell, log in to Zendesk Sell. Then on the left side menu, click the gear icon for settings. Then in the settings menu, under integrations, select OAuth. Then under access tokens, click add access token. Give your access token a name. Click save. And now copy your created access token and paste it into a text file and save it, because you will not be able to copy it from Zendesk Sell again. So I've copied my Zendesk Sell access token, and I'm going to paste it into the access token section in Style BI. Click OK. Next step is to click Create a Query. Select Zendesk Sell Query. Next step is to create an endpoint for your dashboard. And for this dashboard, I'm going to use the Note endpoint. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I need to give my data worksheet a name and save it. Next step is to click Create Dashboard. And I'm not going to use the visualization recommender for this particular dashboard, so I'm going to click Finish. And then I'm going to click Continue. And then I'm going to give my blank dashboard a name and save it. Click OK. Next, I'm going to edit my blank dashboard by clicking the pencil icon. Okay, so for my Zendesk Sell dashboard, I think I'd like to create a chart that shows the number of notes added to the Zendesk Sell CRM by day. So I'm going to drag out a chart, click Edit, going to click through to full editor. And for my measure, I'm going to drag out data ID into the y-axis. Now that defaults as a sum, but what I want is a count of all the different data IDs. So I'm going to click Edit Measure, and I'm going to change aggregate to distinct count. Okay. Now for my dimension, I'm going to use the date created at, and I'm going to drag that into the x-axis. Now that defaults as a time series, but it defaults as a time series by year, and all the records were created on the same year. So there's just a single data point. So I'm going to click Edit Dimension, and I'm going to change my level from year to day. And you'll notice that as time series is already selected, which is good. Click a check mark, click Finish. So now I have a chart that shows the number of notes that were added for each day. But I think I would also like to view the individual notes. So to display the raw detail level data, I'm going to drag out a table, and I'm going to stretch it a little bit so that it has space for my notes. Click Edit. And I'm going to drag data created at into my table. And I'm also going to drag data content into my table. Click Finish. So now I have a chart that shows the amount of notes created per day. And I also have a table that displays the individual notes created and the day they were created on. but I think I would like to make my chart a tool for drilling down into my table. So I'm going to select my chart, go to right click, select properties, and under flyover, I'm going to select my table, click OK. And now when I preview my dashboard, you'll see that if I hover over different days, my table will update to show just the records that were created on those days. And also I can select a particular day on the line chart, and the table will continue to show just the notes created on that particular day. And if I want to save these, I can download the table contents. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls in and displays live data from your Zendesk Sell account.